Finding the best product that fits your budget can be a challenge, however. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Wakesurf boards from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ride Wakesurf board. If you want to tear through the water at top speeds, the CWB Ride is the perfect Wakesurf board for you. This surf-style board allows you to take on the waves just as you would with a regular surfboard, with easy traction and predictable turns. A CNC diamond-cut EVA pad with kicktail also makes this board easy to maneuver. Because this board is compression molded, there is a large surface area despite the board's shorter size. The tri-fin system gives you the versatility to enjoy a ride with 1, 2, or 3 fins. Positive side of this product, tri-fin system. Double-edge rails. CNC diamond-cut EVA pad. Number 2. Jefferson FIFTY50 Wakesurf board. With a custom-shaped EPS core, reinforced carbon fiber rails, and finished with polished epoxy fiberglass, the top-rated Jefferson 5050 is perfect for beginners, but customizable enough to see you through to advanced levels. A fast and responsive ride, the flat bottom base, and sharp rail give stability, while allowing you to reach those top speeds and most importantly, have a ton of fun. Once you advance past beginner level, you can customize the FCS fins and keep on riding. Positive side of this product, surf rope included. Number 3. South Bay Board Company 525463 Wakesurf board. One of the best beginner Wakesurf board on today's market, this top-rated board from Jefferson allows you to get up and stay up with ease. A great board to build your confidence on, the Jefferson 5050 will give you a stable ride with minimal effort. The surf-style design of this board closely mimics that of a regular surfboard, thus creating an easier-to-learn canvas. This style also lends itself to higher speeds, allowing riders to work less in order to achieve their desired speeds. This board comes with the most popular tri-fin style setup, allowing riders to complete control in deciding whether they use 1, 2, or 3 fins. This control will allow beginner riders to build their skill and comfort levels. The compression molded design combined with the EVA pad and kicktail gives this board precision while being easy to maneuver. This board comes as a package with a surf rope which allows you to buy an all-in-one that will get you out on the water enjoying your day faster. Positive side of this product. Tri-fin system. Surf rope included. Diamond-cut EVA pad. Number 4. Airhead Bonsai Wakesurfer. Being a skim-style board, Airhead's fishboard is more geared towards riders who have more experience in this sport. While the board features a full shape with a fishtail setup which is forgiving to beginners, allowing someone with less skill to start on the board, it isn't built for those who have never done any water sports. The skim style is generally built for expert riders looking to push the limits and try more stunts while on the water. This top-rated board from Airhead also features superior speed due to the pin-shaped 2.5-inch rocker. This board's size and shape ensure it will fit on any board rack. Positive side of this product. Skim-style board. Maximum traction deck. Double fin setup. Number 5. Jefferson Throwdown Wakesurf board. Jefferson Throwdown is a fantastic surf-style board that is perfectly suited to beginner and intermediate riders. This is a board that riders can grow into with a completely customizable setup. Beginners will love how comfortable the board is and how easy it is to learn. Riders with more experience will enjoy the high speeds and expert precision and maneuverability this board offers. Great for practicing new stunts, this board gives you the confidence to take your surf further than ever before. The Throwdown boasts a custom shape with a natural wood stringer, a hand-finished epox, and a layered fiberglass surface that looks great in the water. This top-rated board also features a quad fin setup which is great for those looking for added customizations. Effortlessly remove fins to find the ride that is perfect for you. Positive side of this product. High-quality materials. Layered fiberglass. Customizable 4-fin setup. Tough EPS core. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.